How important is the lean manufacturing history in Agile? Very. Short answer, a lot of the lean philosophies were rolled into the early days of Agile and they stay relevant today. So you're looking at, that continuous improvement concept coming out of lean, often referred to as Kaizen from the Japanese, which I'm sure I just massacred. We have that. Scrum has the retrospective. The Agile world has that 12th principle, come together regularly and improve. So we find it throughout. Lots and lots of these things, lots of the tools and the techniques from the lean world are incredibly useful. What we've got to be careful, though, is lean manufacturing was about creating a more efficient, defined process. So the engineers in places like Toyota, the car manufacturers, the engineers sat down and they mapped out precisely how a factory would work. Okay? And they used a lot of the lean thinking to not only map it out, but then continuously improve it and increase the efficiency so they could achieve their business goals. Very, very successfully. We only build our products once. They build them many, many times. So chasing efficiency is huge in the lean manufacturing world. We've got to be careful. We want to be efficient, don't get me wrong, but not to the detriment of being ineffective. First and foremost in the Agile world is that complexity, is that changing nature of the problem space, never mind the solution. So we've got to make sure that whatever we do that's coming from lean and removing waste and chasing efficiency savings and all those really good things aren't done and stopping us delivering the right thing. There is just a level of inefficiency in what we do. We have to do things wrong to find out the right way sometimes. C'est la vie. If we knew the answers, it'd be great, and this wouldn't be our job. So there's a lot of lean coming through in the Agile world. It's a really good tool set. In fact, it's one that I introduce as part of my CSP, the Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master course, is we have this conversation about where lean comes from, the values, the principles that come out of lean, how to use the tools and techniques that they've created for, the manufacturing world, for the lean world. How do we use those in the Agile world? It's something that if you haven't read into, I would highly, highly recommend it. I would get started, pick up a book, hit a blog post, whatever, just start understanding what it is about lean that you could use in your practice. If you've got to this point in the video, I hope you've enjoyed it. If so, a like would be appreciated. If you want to hear more from me, more answers to questions that maybe you've got in the Agile world, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've got a question that you really want answered, drop it in the comments. I promise we'll get around to it. Thank you.